Hi, also welcome to the today's tutorial. So in previous tutorial we put the walking capability, like in which the zombie will go for the random location, right? So in current, like right now in the behavior tree, he's not looking at the player, not at all. So we will do that thing today. So we have a perception component in which we can add different capability to this AI. So in today we will add the eyesight component. So in which we will add a component called AI perception component, in which we can define which what are all senses which we do want to add it here. We do want to add the sight, and next what he want to look for. So in our case we do want to look for our main player, which is the this character. So BPM character. So there are two parts to it. One is that U perception component, which we will add it to this AI. Next is the source component. So the the source which he do want to sense. So these two we have to add. So first let's add the stimuli to our base character. So let me head back to our IDE. Go to that M character base. So for that we will create a component called AI perception stimuli source. So you property blueprint read only and edit anywhere. So here we need to add UAI perception stimuli source component. So this is the main class. Just include this header class for it. It's a pointer. So we will name it as AI perception stimuli source. Stimuli source. Perfect. Alto, and we will initialize it here after camera component. As everything is done, AI perception stimuli source default, create default sub object. It's same, like we know the drill. AI perception stimuli source component, and we will give it a name, text, and we will give the same name. Now here we have to set, like, this is the source which AI will sense. So what exact sense we do want to register, like uh, so like what you can say the stimuli source is registered for what source. So we will do it AI perception. We do want it for the site, so register for sense. So here we have to give our UAI sense class. So in our case, UAI sense site static class, as we do have to provide the class. Next we have to register this stimuli source. So AI perception stimuli source register with perception system, and this is it. So this is what we do need from the character. So we are done here. Next we have to add the perception components in our AI class. So let's do that. So here we will create the component. So u property blueprint read write edit anywhere, UAI perception component, include perception component. Okay, alt O. We already know the drill. So what we will do, as soon as we are doing, okay, I think we haven't initialized everything in the component settings in AI base. So let's do perceptions component is equals to create default subject UAI perception component, and here we'll give the same name. Next, we have to configure uh, a site, right? Like we have to apply the site here. So what we will do, we do want to configure it for the iSite. So UAI sense config site. It's a pointer. So config site is equals to create default sub object UAI sense config site text. Give it a second. Sorry, I got that call. So here we need to provide, okay, so let me add this name here, this name here. And to configure the site, we have to define like what is the site radius, which we do want. So config site, site radius. So I want it to be like 5000. And next is the loss site radius. So the difference between these two is like, like if let's imagine my AI is able to see me. So if this is the our AI, and if I am in the area of 5000 radius, and this is okay, so it will be the 10,000. So this is the 10,000 radius. So in our case, if I am here, so AI will not be able to see me, but as soon as I will come in this area, he will be able to sense me. Now his focus is here, so he will not lose sight even if I am outside this inner circle. So he will lose my sight if when I will come out from the second circle. So this is our main idea. So this will become 10,000, uh, or we can also keep it like 8,000 just to make it more reasonable. And next thing is like we have to configure, okay, we do want to sense everyone. So detection by affiliation, be detect neutral enemies to true. So it will detect everyone, those who have the stimuli. In our case, we do the main character does have it. And now we have to add this config site to this perception component. So perception component config sense, and here we need to provide the config site. Perfect. So this is it. Next thing, so what we do want to do when we will be sensed. So how we will do that? In begin play, as we have defined this in the constructor, so we have the perception component. So let's bind the function. So perception component dot on target perception updated. So as soon as character will come in the periphery or he will go out, this function will be called. So add unique, add dynamic, this comma, and AI base on target on target perception updated. Alt enter, create function, alt enter, generate definition. So mutils include dm. I have sensed something, and this is it. I think we have done everything correct. So let's get back to that zombie character. Let's compile. Perfect. If I will play the game, okay. Okay, if I will go in the front, I hope he's able to see me. No, but I'm not being sensed. So let's check for the character first. We do have this perception stimuli source, and everything is there. Okay. Next thing is the AI. AI. So let's delete it and let's bring back that guy again. Let's play. My Am I not visible? Perception component is being registered with MK2. They are designed to work with AI controller. I think something is fishy. Okay, so one problem which I can see, it was B detect neutrals. It was not enemies, so I'm just controlling Control S. We'll delete him again. We'll compile and we'll bring back that character again. Let's check if it is working fine or not. Okay. Okay, see, now it is saying I have sent something. As soon as I will go forward, it has sent something and I'm back. It's not. So this was it for today. I think you have learned something out how to add senses to your character and AI at the same time. So this was it for today. If you have some doubt, do comment it below and I will try to rectify it as soon as possible. Thank you and have a nice day, and make sure that you are subscribing my channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.